and today I'm going to show you how to mark out and process a corner dovetail joint. So for this part I'm going to cover how to mark out and process the pin. So the tools you're going to need is you're going to need a ruler, tri-square, a tenon saw, a sliding bevel, a mortise gauge and some chisels. So if you take your piece of material, offer your set square or your tri-square up to it and find your squarest edge. From that, mark your face side and your face edge. After that, mark on 5mm waste. And bring that all the way around. Ensure that you always keep the stock on your face edge. So once you've achieved that, you're going to want to mark the thickness of the socket. This is what it's going to be going into. So that's 18mm thick. So mark that on and bring it all the way around your piece. Following on from this, you're going to want to mark your pin, which goes up at an angle of 1:6. So if you simply take a waste piece of material, okay, mark out 60, come across 60, which is here, come up 10, join those two back together. Okay, so you have this line here now. If you bring your sliding bevel up to it, you'll be able to set your angle off of that. Okay, so we're going to mark our angle on here for our tails. So as we can see here, we need to come across 10 from each side. So the way we do this is, we get our gauge, okay? Firstly, we set it to 10, so just hold it up and offer up your ruler to it. And check it. And retighten. So, the way we mark this is, we always use it from the face edge. So, if we simply just mark our 10 there like that, just scribe it in. Okay, and then we come across the other side. We mark it in again. So that's our 10 there. And here, this is much more accurate than doing it with a ruler. So from this then, we know that if it's 10 this side, overall width of the piece is 40mm. So we simply just come across 30 then. So again, loosen up the gauge, offer your ruler up to it, tighten it, recheck it. There you have it. And mark it again from the face edge. Okay, so now that we've that done, get our sliding bevel which we set earlier, 1:6, bring that up to the side of it like that. We can begin to mark off the angles of the pin. Once you've that done, just simply scroll them along the top. And when you finish then, you just mark your waist. So we want to remove these areas here. This is our waist along the top, sides, also along the top there. So that's how we mark out the pin of a dovetail.